Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another skincare product which name is Skin1004 Madagascar Centella Soothing Cream. This is a soothing and nourishing and moisturizing cream more like a gel. It promises to soothe the skin, protect it from pollution, and make it soft and dewy. This cream has a gel consistency and a beautiful earthy color. I do not notice a scent, so it is fragrance-free. This cream is packed with soothing, barrier-strengthening, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and brightening ingredients. Let's talk about its texture. This is a gel cream, so it looks like a gel but is thicker than typical aloe gels. The color is a light brown, I assume from the centella extract. The product is free of colorants, so it's a natural color. It feels refreshing on the skin. It's cooling, gentle, and feels really hydrating right away. It doesn't disappear once it settles down, and creates enough of a layer to keep dehydration-prone skin happy during the day. Let's talk about its key ingredients. It contains 72% centella asiatica extract, shea butter, panthenol, adenosine, and niacinamide. All these rich with natural moisturizing ingredients instantly provides explosive hydration, soothing, and moisturizer. This cream is ideal for all skin type but best for dry skin and good to use in winters. So in winter skin needs more moisturizer. How to use. Gently apply over the face and neck at the end of your routine. Pat in for best absorption. Follow with SPF in the morning. Thanks for watching.